Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a hexagon wall shelf. Let's get started. These are the materials you will need to make a hexagon shelf. You will need cardboard, scissors, or something else to cut through the cardboard. You will need some paper, tape, hot glue, and regular glue. You will need a ruler and protractor to make your templates. For the templates, you will need a trapezoid template and 2 rectangular ones. You can make it any size you want, but I will be using these measurements, which I have put in the description box below. Lastly, you will need some paint and a paintbrush to paint your shelf. Now I'm going to use the trapezoid template to make our hexagon. I'm going to trace the trapezoid. Now I'm going to flip this trapezoid template over to make another one. Now I've made my hexagon. Now I'm going to make one more and cut it out. Now that I've made my 2 hexagons, I'm going to put those aside. Now I'm going to trace the larger rectangle. You can do this 2 more times and then cut it out. Now that I made my 3 rectangles, I'm going to put them aside. I'm going to use my smaller rectangular template and trace it. Now I'm going to make 3 more copies and cut them out.
Now we're going to be gluing the pieces together to make them more sturdy. I'm also taking 2 of the big rectangular ones and gluing those together. going to be tracing our hexagon and each of our small pieces on a piece of paper. I'm going to do this with each piece and then cut all of them out.
Now that I cut out the pieces of paper in the same shapes, I'm going to glue them on.
Now that I've glued all the pieces to the cardboard, I'm going to tape the outer edge of each thing so we get a nice clean cut. Like this.
Now that I've glued them together, I'm going to tape the edges. I'm going to do this to all the edges. This is the last step. You'll need to paint it. You can paint it any color you like, but I'm choosing black. You will need to paint it on the outside and the inside, but the back is optional because it's going to be covered up. See you when I'm done. And there you have it, a cute hexagon shelf. You could put anything you'd like. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.